I'm Terry with Towers Murray Plumbing, here to show you how to repair a toilet with a slow fill. Now, when your toilet fills slowly, the device that causes the tank to fill is called a ball cock or a fill valve assembly. Some of them can be repaired. This particular style here does have the ability to take the top apart to repair innards. It has a seal inside of it that can be repaired. Sometimes the reason they feel slow is because they're simply worn out and you need to replace that device there. So there's a lock nut on the bottom side. Make sure you turn the water off first. Disconnect the supply line. Remove the lock nut and the fill valve assembly will come out. Now, on some toilets they take a specialized fill valve assembly, and in that case you'll need to either get a professional out or make sure that once you get the old fill valve out, you take it down with you to be matched up. And again, I'm Terry with Towers Murray Plumbing, and we've shown you how to repair a toilet with a slow fill.